There's one thing I can't go to bed without: my Anti Snoring Chin Strap. It's been a total game changer for my sleep. This simple yet effective solution has transformed my nights, allowing me to finally enjoy peaceful sleep without the disruptive sound of snoring. What I love most is its ease of use. The adjustable design fits comfortably on different face sizes, so I never feel restricted. With a head circumference of up to 27 inches, it keeps my airway open, promoting better breathing all night long. If snoring is a struggle for you or your partner, I can't recommend this enough. It's incredible how something so simple can dramatically improve your sleep quality. Give it a try, you'll be amazed at the difference.